Zontes 368. 703 models. Instrument screen casting navigation video tutorial. Press the power button to turn on the vehicle. Follow the video method to press the confirm button. Use the joystick direction key to select and enter the instrument settings. Press the confirm button. Use the joystick direction key to select display. Choose theme. Select the fourth theme instrument display screen. Casting QR code, open the Zontes Smart app. Click Service, click Navigation Screen Casting. Scan the code and follow the prompts to connect the vehicle. Click Search Destination, enter the place you want to go, and the instrument will navigate. Click Settings, click Connect. You can disconnect the paired connection. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.